Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So let me ask you something. How many times have you found the perfect article for your team, your boss, or your clients even, only to have it get lost in a crowded inbox? So you forward it, but it gets buried, you sack it, but it gets scrolled past just like this. You save it to a shared drive, but nobody check it. You put it for read later, but there is basically many ones. So what if there was actually a better way? What if you could automatically collect the most important articles from your Feedly boards and feeds, package them into a beautifully branded newsletter, and send it to your team on a regular schedule without any manual work? So that's exactly what automated newsletters do. According to Feedly's official documentation, automated newsletters constantly pull content from your team boards, AI feeds, folders into templates that you can customize to your company's branding. Then, issues are sent on a recurrent schedule that you set. Built-in analytics that you see how many recipients engage with the content, so you can refine and improve future issues. So how to do so? It's easy. Log in through Feedly on the web if you want to, or on the app. Go through this newsletter on the navigation. So the app gonna open like this. Go through the right again. Then tap on create or basically get newsletters in Feedly. Upgrade to get newsletters delivered to your Feedly, so you can basically you have to go and buy the Pro Plus Feedly. So that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.